In today's world of artificial intelligence, it's incredible how anyone, regardless of their 3D and animation knowledge, can dive into the exciting realm of 3D animation. Welcome back to my AI tutorial channel, where we simplify complex concepts. Today, I'm here to guide you on how to create captivating 3D animations using a handy AI tool. This AI tutorial will walk you through the process of effortlessly transforming any existing video into a stunning 3D animation with just a few simple clicks. In this step-by-step guide, which will only take about 5 to 10 minutes of your time, my goal is to empower you to craft your very own 3D animated masterpiece. So, without further ado, let's embark on this creative journey. Part 1. Create an account to kickstart your adventure with the video to 3D animation converter. You'll need to set up a DeepMotion AI account. No worries, I've provided the link in the video description below. Just click on the Sign Up button to initiate the creation of your new DeepMotion AI account. Part 2. Craft your 3D characters. After logging into DeepMotion AI, navigate to the Animate 3D menu and click on Get Started. Subsequently, head over to the 3D Models menu. Here, we'll dive into using the Ready Player Me avatar generator. Start by selecting your preferred body type. You can either upload your photo for a personalized 3D avatar or opt for the Continue Without Photo option. Next, choose an avatar model and click Next to proceed. Now comes the fun part. Customizing your avatar's skin color, facial features like eyes, eyebrows, nose, lips, and even hairstyle, outfit, accessories, and makeup. Once you're satisfied with the look, click Next. You can either register with Ready Player Me or choose the convenient Continue Without Sign Up option. Finally, give your character a name and hit the Save button to store all the avatar information. Part 3. Generate mesmerizing 3D AI animation. Back on the DeepMotion AI dashboard, go to the Animate 3D menu and click on 3D Models. Choose your 3D avatar character and click the Create Animation button. Upload your video, for instance. I'm using a jogging video, and feel free to rename it. If needed, you can trim or crop the video using the Trim and Crop button. Once you're done, hit Save. Navigate to the Video Output menu, where you'll enable the MP4 output option. Unselect the Include Original Video box and set the custom background to a solid green color. Fine-tune the camera mode to cinematic, toggle shadows and audio output as desired, and when everything's set, hit Create. DeepMotion AI will work its magic, converting your video into a mesmerizing 3D animation. Part 4. Craft an animated background. Let's enhance your video further by adding an animated background using Canva. Head over to Canva's dashboard and select the Video menu. Then, navigate to the Elements menu, and in the search bar, type Animation. Explore the video results and pick your desired animation, right-click on it, and set it as the background. Finally, download your animated background video. Part 5. Fine-tune and edit to seamlessly combine your 3D video animation and animated background. Utilize a video editor such as Premiere Pro or CapCut. Import both your animated background and 3D animation video. Place the animated background on the bottom video layer and position the 3D video animation on top. Click on the 3D animation video, select the Chroma key button, and use the color picker to select the green screen area. Resize the 3D animation video to match the background and adjust its speed if necessary. In our case, we'll slow down the background speed. Once you're satisfied, click the Export button, specify the file name, and adjust video resolution and quality as needed. And voila, you've successfully brought your creation to life with this DeepMotion AI tutorial. With these straightforward steps, you can create your own captivating 3D animations. Enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.